So we just got a Roomba 694. This is one of the more affordable Roombas, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing video to show you guys, what comes inside the box. So before we get started, if you could just like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. We want to keep putting out, okay content for you guys. So about this Roomba, it actually came in another box and I took that out. It was branded Roomba. We got it on Amazon. And it's a fairly big box. I'm a big guy, I'm about 6'5", and this box is, pretty much covering me up. So it's not small. Robot vacuum, robot aspirator, robot aspirador. So I guess that's robot vacuum in the different languages. Yeah, so let's pop this bad boy open and see what we get inside. All right, so inside the box there is a decent amount of stuff. Everything's well packaged, so it looks like we have a power cord here. No idea what this thing is. Some type of filter. It's like a blue color. And this looks like a charging stand. Just open this up real quick. Yeah, so it looks like this is a charging stand. And this plugs into that. And on top, we have a getting started manual, always good. And then we have actual Roomba. Yeah, that's all we got in the box. It's a pretty sturdy box. Probably make sure that it gets through shipping. I'll put this to the side. Okay, so all right, and there she is. So yeah, this is the Roomba 694, and it's not too heavy, but it's sturdy. Looks like it's plastic all around, couple buttons on top. Yeah, okay. Getting started. Let me pop this up for you. So it's pretty good size. It's sturdy, and on the inside is a good amount of cleaning stuff. Yes, I'm not gonna pull any of this apart until I actually know what I'm doing. So yeah, this looks like a filter of some sort. And then our charging cable. Let's take a look at what it's gonna say. All right, so getting started. Get ready. Show you this. See it? Yeah, so it looks like we need to put this on the charging station. So I'm gonna do that, and stay tuned for the next video because we're gonna have some fun with this thing. So again, if you could like and subscribe, we'll see you next time. See you.